Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Metal and Motorcycles. My name is Jeremy. In this video, we're going to remove the factory exhaust on my wife's 2016 Indian Scout and replace them with these guys. These are the Trask Slip-Ons, and they're going to be loud as shit, so stay around. All right guys, like I said, we're gonna replace the stock mufflers on my wife's bike with those Trask Slip-Ons. A couple of tools you're gonna need: a 13mm wrench, 15mm wrench, a rubber mallet, a towel, and maybe some WD-40. Worth mentioning, I've seen a few install videos where guys have actually cut the stock bracket that holds the Indian mufflers on because there was some issue getting the bottom Trask in place. But then I watched Brendan Picasso, I believe that's who it was. He just smacked it with his rubber mallet and bent that thing back towards the frame a little bit, and the mufflers fit just fine. I have no intention on cutting that bracket off just in case I don't like these mufflers or she doesn't like them on her bike and we want to go with something else. So with that, let's get to it. Since we've got the old exhaust on, let's go ahead and do a cold start so you can hear it before, and then we'll hear the straight pipes when we take them off, and then we'll hear it again with the Trasks. But I mean, everyone knows what these bikes sound like. There's been a million comparisons, but we're going to do one too, so whatever. All right, so let's go ahead and take that exhaust off. All right, so let's go ahead and get those 15mm bolts off. I'm gonna go ahead and take the bolt all the way off because I'm gonna need this for the slip-ons, because the guy I bought them from gave me the bracket, but not the bolt. So hopefully it fits. So while I have these off, go ahead and make sure this fits, and it does. Good. All right, so now let's see if we can go ahead and get these 13mm ones off. Kind of in a goofy spot. So you're going to want to keep all of these. Use the right wrench. All right, so now the moment of truth. Can we take these damn things off? These are kind of effed. When we bought the bike, we noticed that these were really kind of blue and funky looking. So either someone let them idle in high temperatures for a really, really long time, the catalytic converters are effed, or maybe they tried to tune it and it's running a bit lean. So I don't know, either way, they're coming off. They're not gonna get saved, so I might just pound them off with a mallet if they don't pull out easy. Let's give it a go. There's one. Oh, sneaky turd. There's a another bolt here. And I did say sneaky turd. And there's the other. All right, so let's go ahead and start this up with just the straights. It's gonna be loud as shit. My neighbors are gonna be mad. It's like 9:30 at night. All right, so here's the straight pipe start. Pre-Trasks. That's fucking loud. All right, here goes nothing. Use this towel as I mallet it in. All right, well there they are. They are installed. They look cool. Gave them a bit of a wipe down. Now it's time for the old moment of truth, the startup. Let's walk around. Sorry, neighbors. That sounds ridiculous. Sounds awesome though. Way less brash and bright than when the mufflers are off. Deeper, big rumble, loud as fuck. Anyway, that's the install.